Number 5 is y is equal to 1 minus 4 cosine of x divided by 3. And my amplitude is going to be 4. Yes, it is going to be flipped because that 4 is negative. Again, for the amplitude itself, you're doing the absolute value, so you don't put the negative, but you do need to take that negative into account when you're talking about is the graph flipped or not. The period is going to be 2 pi divided by, well, this 3 is actually a 1/3, so it's actually 1/3 times x. So it's 2 pi divided by 1/3, which is the same thing as 2 pi times the reciprocal, or 3 over 1, which is actually 6 pi. So this graph is going to be kind of stretched out before it actually starts repeating. So normally after 2 pi you start repeating, but this one it takes all the way to 6 pi before it starts repeating. My vertical shift is going to be up 1 because there's a plus 1 here. And the horizontal shift, there's actually not any because there's no number being added or subtracted on the inside of the parentheses. So if I graph this, again, I'm kind of expecting it to look a little bit different. So 0 to 2 pi, negative 5 to 5. And my graph looks like this. So it almost doesn't even look like a cosine wave or a sine wave. Again, that's because it takes from 0 to 6 pi to get one complete iteration before it starts repeating. So from 0 to 2 pi we only really have part of the picture.